Discover how Adstorm's 140 extra licenses can transform your agency's reach, revenue, and efficiency overnight. If you have ever hit a wall with client limits, campaign caps, or scaling bottlenecks, this is the game changer you have been waiting for. Imagine 140 more opportunities to onboard clients, test ad creatives, or expand into new markets without the hefty price tag of individual licenses. Adstorm's bulk license offer slashes overhead while supercharging your capacity. Whether you are a solo marketer or a growing agency, these additional licenses mean more campaigns, more data, and more wins. But here's the kicker. It is not just about quantity. Adstorm's licenses come with full access to their cutting-edge ad automation, analytics, and multi-platform integration. That means 140 chances to deploy high-converting ads across Meta, Google, TikTok, and beyond, all from a single dashboard. No more juggling logins or wrestling with disjointed tools. The real magic? Scalability without the complexity. Need to pivot for a sudden client surge? Spin up new campaigns in minutes. One A/B test at scale, assign dedicated licenses to each variant. And with Adstorm's white label options, you can even resell these licenses as part of your own service packages, turning a cost into a new revenue stream. This is not just an upgrade, it is a strategic advantage. Competitors stuck with rigid plans will watch as you outpace them in speed, flexibility, and ROI. The question is not if you need these licenses, but how fast you can start using them. Ready to 10x your ad operations? The 140 extra licenses are your ticket. But do not just take our word for it. See how top agencies are leveraging this to dominate their niches. The only limit now? Your ambition.